What's up, guys? So this video is probably not going to be that interesting for most of you, but I have officially obtained a Hangar. Now, why is that such a shock? In the state of Colorado, it's nearly a 3-year wait to get even on the list to be on a Hangar, to get access to a Hangar. It's literally, you have a better chance of winning the lottery than getting a Hangar in the state of Colorado. And that's a problem because I have just bought an airplane, and this airplane's open cockpit, so it'd be absolutely decimated by the elements. It just wouldn't even last. So I was especially urgent in trying to find one. Well, I was at the right place at the right time. I made a call to one guy, and most of the answers I got were, no, sorry, get on the list, it's 3 years out. Well, I got lucky. This guy had one. It's been vacant for 25 years. It was full of aircraft propellers, and went down there, got on his good side, and he's letting me have this Hangar for my airplane. So today's the first day I've actually got access to the Hangar. We just got the propellers cleared out of it, and I have to make some adjustments on the doors, and I don't know what clue to expect. It needs a lot of work, but I am so thankful that I got a Hangar, and it's 15 minutes from where I live. So honestly, to put it in perspective, I was looking at an hour and a half away for around $900 a month to $1,000 a month for a Hangar. And this one I'm getting for less than what a steak dinner would be per month, and it's mine. So I'm really lucky, and I'm super blessed to get this, and I'm just really excited. So I'm excited to show you what this Hangar looks like before, and then after some very, very much needed elbow grease, what I'm gonna turn this Hangar into for when my plane gets here, and that'll be in a video in itself. But let's go see what this Hangar looks like. It's nothing special, but it's cool to me because it's like my first Hangar. So, all right. So I managed to get the door open. I didn't film that part because there was a lot of choice words and a lot of effort to get this door open. But I'm going to show you the Hangar because it's going to need a lot of work, but I'm excited to do a before and after release. Right? What do you think? Ah, here it is right here. Yeah, this will fit the Hangar perfect. All right, so to get this door open a little bit more, I have a lot of door adjustments I got to make. I don't know if the GoPro picked up the light in here. Wow. So this was essentially full of propellers. I'm not kidding. It was literally full of propellers. The guy that ran a propeller repair business used this Hangar as a storage. But I have a lot of work to do. I'm gonna clean this all out. This is perfect. This is a Camaro that has not been used in a very long time. I don't know what the story is that, and the motor, and wow. So I gotta make all these adjustments on this. I think that I gotta adjust there, I gotta adjust there, because the doors are barely opening. I had to football tackle this door to open it up. So I have quite a few adjustments I need to make. But I mean, it's a Hangar. I have my own Hangar. I'm gonna make it look really good, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This looks like an absolute pile of heap, but to most. But for me, this is gold, because finding something even like this is like winning the lottery. And it's like a workbench thing I'm gonna turn into, I don't know. I'll make use of that. I don't know what those are. Jeez. just point out, when I say that this hasn't been used in 20 years, just watch this. Maybe even more than that. Good Lord. Wow. But the door actually opened up. So I'm actually kind of stoked about that. I thought it was going to give me a lot more issues. I don't know what this 2x4 is though. I feel like if I move this, the whole thing's just going to come down on me. Wow, there's a lot. Yikes. Like I want to just see if the whole hanger comes down. All right, so the first task at hand was just to get these doors to actually open up. 25 years and these have not been opened up since then. Like when I first inspected this hanger, this one we couldn't even get it to open like up 12 inches. We could barely fit in here to get it open. So I figured out that this leverage system on this pulley and these springs were adjustable right there and right there. And then I lubed up all these pivot points. Next, we started up with these corner doors. And they're on the slide system right here, which, by the way, I called like 15 garage door specialists asking, hey, can you guys have any insight or can you service port-to-port? Because this hanger is going to need an entire tune-up. And they all gave me this blank response. And they're like, no, we don't service those. And so I had to learn this one on my own. And I figured out how to adjust these. I got these rails to slide open, and then I tightened this adjustment point right there, and it raises the door and it slides off this a lot easier. So this now, yeah, so this is moving now, which is good. And I think I'm gonna adjust this one. I got that one to open up all the way. I'm gonna readjust it and then try it again. See if that works. This one actually came up pretty darn easy, a lot easier than I thought. I didn't think this one would work that well, to be honest. And I adjusted the 2 tension lines there on the springs, and it came right up with ease. So far, so good. This is coming together. The fact that these open all the way means that I can fit the plane in here. And Mercedes looks good here. It's actually pretty big. I mean, yeah. I'm also curious what, I mean, there's weeds everywhere along here.